Digital transformation, cloud migration, the 5G network, the Internet of Things, connectivity. Millions of software applications run today's business world. Keeping track of these has never been more challenging. BearingPoint software asset management services can help you gain greater visibility and control over your software. What you have, how much you use, how much you really need, and your future requirements. We deliver cost savings by helping you buy only the licenses you need and give you the clarity of knowing which software is running where at any point in time. This gives you the power to make better decisions. We are business and technology experts with global reach and a flexible, pragmatic approach designed to bring tailored solutions created around your unique software landscape. Being independent, we're never tied to a single vendor or tool. We help you make the right decision for your organization, whether that's a standalone solution or an ongoing managed service, taking the problem away and bringing everything together from a single source, for less complexity and more efficiency. This approach has helped us transform software management for leading organizations around the world, including a major telecoms provider, where we're bringing transparency and clarity to the licensing inventory, and a German federal department optimizing software licensing, improving efficiency, and significantly reducing operating costs. Discover how BearingPoint can transform your software asset management.